All right, welcome back to the studio, if you want to call it that. There's some garbage here and things like that, but try to ignore it. I mean, this is a livable place. It's lived in. And I have a lot of stuff. All right, what I want to show you today is I get questions about how the lab is set up and different things. So, you know, I am building an on-premise domain, and part of that is having a domain controller and servers to add to it, but I didn't want it all to be virtual. But I also can't have a million PCs hanging around, and I do have a lot of PCs. So we're gonna open this package up from Amazon. I could show you what we got here. Ooh, that might be loud into the mic. Okay, so we got two of these. It's from GMKTec. They're Intel Nuc boxes. I'm gonna open one up and show you what it is. I'm gonna put a link below if you want. These are good. I have an little bit older model. I mean, when you see the size of this thing, you're gonna go nuts, and it works great. So here, let's. We got two of these. Okay. Nice packaging too, not that it matters. And when Intel had the official Nuc line, I still have my, had two of them, the 8 series, the Skull Canyon. It had the actual skull on it. Very good machine performance-wise. Alright, so this is a little bigger than the other one I have, but, yo, check this out. This is it. So, let me put the cables down. For comparison, this is a Galaxy Ultra 24, Galaxy S24 Ultra. So you can see it's this is a small device, and the other one's smaller. But this is the newer one. So this has. Let me pull up the specs so I don't misstate what it is here. Okay, so it's a 12th gen Intel Alder Lake N100. It's 4-core up to 3.4 gigahertz. Let me get rid of this plastic, and I say get rid of lightly. It'll live down here for some time. I'm not really big on getting rid of that garbage so fast. Yeah, here's the thing: 16 gigs of RAM built in and a 1 terabyte SSD, and this was about 220. So just to show you the front, you got the two USB 3.0. Now, if I show you the back, yeah, I know my hands are super steady, but get a good look. You're better off looking on Amazon or whatever on the web. Two HDMIs, two more USB 3.0 on the back, and an Ethernet cable. Audio out. I mean, this is nice. This'll do it. It's gonna run headless. It's gonna run Windows Server. Maybe it'll run Hyper-V. I don't know. That would be kind of cool if I can just dedicate one of these. Yeah, you build a little farm out of stuff like this. So that's good right there. Like I said, the other one was smaller, not too much, but I mean, for the money and the specs you get, I mean, that's not bad. Even as a normal workstation, it's pretty cool stuff. So, like I said, yeah, there's two of those. This is the other one. I'll open it later. You don't have to watch me open it twice. And what's in the box? So what else is in this box is nice. It's like this is a foam or something. So what does it come with? There shouldn't be much more in here. I guess a power cable. So it's got some documentation. It's foam we don't need. So you got some documentation. What's in this documentation? It's a little manual. Might read that at some point. Probably not. And then two little boxes here. So this first box is, let's see what we got here. This is the power adapter, right? So that's good. And then the second box is another something. I don't know what it is though. So let's look. Oh, look at this. They give you an HDMI cable in the box. How thoughtful. And this is a mounting bracket if you want to mount it somewhere. I think you can, I think it's a VESA mount adapter. I don't know. I'll look into that. I'll let you know once they're set up. Maybe we'll do a tour, but this is good stuff. I'll put that down. Oh, just drop the VESA mount part. All this cardboard. That's okay. I like packaging. I'd rather have more packaging than less packaging. So either way, I'll bring you back and show you what some of this looks like once it's set up. And then maybe in the future, we'll do a, I'll show you how I have them all set up from a domain perspective. But all right, thanks for joining me.